Have you ever tried a side hustle that just didn't work out? Maybe you spent months of your energy and savings on something not apt for you. Don't worry, we have a solution. Click the link below and discover the opportunity to find the perfect side hustle for you. Let's take an example of Omar and Mary. They thought they found the right side hustle, but it turned out to be a blunder. They invested 6 months and a heap of money into something not suited for them. Don't let this happen to you. Learn from their story. Strive for the side hustle that will bring you joy and success. Don't delay. Take action now. For the right side hustle, click the link below.